Good day everyone and welcome to Home Online Maths Education. This is a channel where different topics of mathematics are being taught. Now, like you can see on the board, we'll be treating on the topic standard form. For most of you who subscribe and are here right now watching this tutorial video or tutorial lesson on standard form, I really appreciate you guys for the best. Now, I already made some introductory video on standard form, well broken down for you to be able to understand. So I guess if you think you want to get full understanding of standard form, you want to start from the very beginning, then I guess you have to click what you're seeing right now on the screen, which will direct you to the very beginning of the video. So without any waste of time, let's just commence. Now, welcome back to Home Online Maths Education. It's very important that we commit things for such issues into the hands of God for perfect understanding. So, without any waste of time, I'll suggest that you join me to say this prayer as I say it. My mind is where I am always. O Lord, open my mind to easily assimilate to this lesson to the fullest, and help me to become a genius man and David. So help me, God. Yes, God. So, without any waste of time, let's just commence. Now, you can see over here that we have 0.0009. And we're told to convert this very figure or decimal number to standard form. So how do we do it? Now, I am sure most of you who watched my previous video in standard form will subscribe it, and from here you will know whether you have gotten it by trying to convert any figure to standard form. So what we are going to do here is we're going to locate the first number. Is that not it? So the next step is repeat the number 0009. And then we'll locate the first number. So what we're going to do is move 1, 2, 3, 4. So you stop over here. So that means our answer becomes 9 times 10 exponents. Now let's look at this. Whenever you're moving to this direction, you are always decreasing. -1, -2, -3, -4, and counting. So since we moved 4 times, over here we want -4. So that means 0.0009 to standard form is 9 times 10 is 22. Now let's move over to the number 5 question. Now you can see that over here we have 0.00000005, and now we're instructed here that they have to convert this very decimal to standard form. So how do we just follow exactly the same process that we did on the very first question. So I would suggest that please, while watching this video, just try to pause it and answer the very question before you watch out and see what the answer is. So without any waste of time, let me just solve it right now. We have 0.005. Now we're told to convert this to standard form, right? So we just come over here, repeat exactly the same numbers. And now here is where we do the dating work. So we're going to move our decimal points and stop exactly at the very first number. These zeros and this zero. So that means if you keep seeing zeros, you haven't arrived at the first number because the zero means nothing. So that means we're going to move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we stop here. So our answer becomes 5 times 10 exponent. Now let's look at this. We have decreased over here. So that means that whenever you are moving to this direction, we always decreasing, right? So that means our answer should be -9 and not 9, because whenever you are moving to the left hand side, the number means that you are increasing. So but that's not what we're doing. We're moving to the side, so it should be -9. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. For most of you who have been watching the video, I really appreciate. I'll be making the remaining 3 videos on my next week video. Since the video is getting really long, we have to cut it short as possible so that it doesn't get boring. So without any waste of time, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Let them get better in standard form. I will see you on my next video. Do not forget to tell people about Home Online Maths Education. Can them get better. In case you want to get in touch with me, then make me a blossom. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Take care of yourself.